Alright, so while traveling on the road, I am going to show you guys how to save your vegetables to make them last a little bit longer. I got some asparagus. Have some spinach too, so I'll be working with that too in a second. That's going to take a little bit different method. Now my green onions. Only thing you do, you have to watch these because they will continue to grow. Just pop them in like that. And because they're going to be in the door of the fridge, I'm going to take the bag and I will put a rubber band like so. And they're going to go in the fridge just like this. Or you can tie it if you have room to tie it. Alright, so that's one down. My asparagus is a little longer, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this because I'm going to cut them anyway. I'm going to go ahead and cut my asparagus down. And I know everyone doesn't have plastic containers. Probably like this, but you can find them at TJ Maxx, probably Ross, or any other retail stores, Walmart's. Alright, so I'm going to cut this down. I'm going to cut this all the way down to here. Oh yeah, that's perfect. So that is the right height. So with the spinach, let me get rid of this asparagus. If I was home, I would put them in my composting and put them in my garden. So I'm not going to mix the spinach. That's one way to use it. You can see the bag is halfway open. And it's the moisture that actually makes these wilts more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some paper towels. And I'm going to stuff it in here as best as possible. And then what I want to do is try to get it behind. If I can't get it behind the skin, it'll be in here. What it's going to do is, it's going to grab some of that moisture. See it? It's going to grab some of that moisture and it's going to keep the spinach living a little bit longer. And I'm going to put this in the fridge just like this. Okay? Alright.